My dear scholars, in this lecture, I will be solving one complete sum of cash flow statement comprising all the three activities, that is operating activity, investing activity and financing activity. For your kind information, the complete sum of cash flow statement contains 6 marks in your blueprint of board examination. Before we start, here we have the question with us. This is the balance sheet of KC Limited, which contains the data for 2020, that is current year, as well as 2019 previous year. This balance sheet contains the information about equity and liability. Then the first head is shareholder fund, non-current liabilities, then current liabilities, followed by the details of assets, non-current assets, current assets, and some adjustments. So this is a normal style of question. Question further comprises of 3 subparts. First part of the question is balance sheet, which is right here. Second subpart of this question is if there are any notes given. This is the column of notes. If in case the question statement contains any notes, note number 1, 2, 3, its explanation is also given under the balance sheet, which is mentioned here, notes to accounts. This is part of your question. And here there is single note in this question, so there is only one details in notes to accounts. Third part of the question is the adjustments. So these 3 parts of the question we have to use this information. इस information को use करके हम एक पूरा complete cash flow statement का sum करते हैं. There is a rule. Rule is every item right from here till the end which is given inside the notes or in your balance sheet. So be attentive. आपके क्वेश्चन की बैलेंस शीट और नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स में जितनी भी आइटम्स दी हैं, सारी आइटम्स कहीं ना कहीं सॉल्यूशन में एक ही एक्टिविटी में आएगी. वन आइटम, वन एक्टिविटी इज द रूल. Whereas all the adjustments would be shown in 2 activities, means or at any 2 places. Adjustments are recorded at 2 places each adjustment, because we follow double entry system, whereas the items which are given in the question, one item, one place is the rule. So be attentive and listen carefully. To start our sum, since we have some information about adjustment is given about machine costing rupees 2 lakh, there is a depreciation information, and it is written that machinery is sold for rupees 12,000. Stay tuned and understand how to prepare cash flow statement. Before we start it, first of all we should quickly have a glimpse of all the items which are given inside the balance sheet, notes to accounts, and then we should read adjustments. Then after going through this, our first activity is operating activity. Before we further proceed with our solution, it is advisable that first of all we complete all the working notes. For working notes, first we have here regarding profits before tax. Profit before tax. This is the first note. So let us do it. Make the column for working note. And here you will write the first calculation, that is profit before tax. For this calculation, we have to start with either profit and loss, that is surplus in the statement of profit or loss, or we have to start with the general reserves. So let's come to this section. It is reserves and surplus. Is there any note given? If there is any note given for a particular item, its difference will not be taken from here. किसी भी आइटम के लिए अगर आपको नोट कॉलम में कोई नोट नंबर दिया है, हम उनका डिफरेंस यहां से क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट से नहीं लेंगे, रादर नोट्स टू अकाउंट में से डिफरेंसेस लेंगे. In front of this item, the item name is statement of profit and loss. हमारे पास कोई नोट नहीं है, so we will directly take these values. Formula for this is current year minus previous year. Be careful, current year is a positive value but previous year is a negative 1 lakh. So according to rules of integer, minus minus will become plus because formula is current year minus previous year. Therefore 4 lakh plus 1 lakh will become 5 lakh. This is your surplus of profit and loss. This is our first item and its value is 5 lakh. Next item which has to be considered here is general reserves, provision for tax which is made during the year, any tax refund given or any kind of proposed dividend. So search these items in our question. Moving on, there is provision for tax given in this question itself, as well as in adjustments there is given tax rupees 1,40,000 paid during the year, but we need to add here the value of provision for tax which is made. Provision for tax made, this is for your remembrance. The tax which is made is shown here. When there are more than 2 information for a particular item, we need to prepare a ledger account. We have information about tax inside as well as in adjustment. Similarly for machinery, there is an information and we have an adjustment also, and depreciation also we have in notes to accounts as well as in adjustment. तो आपको अपने solution में 3 ledger accounts बनाने पड़ेंगे. One is provision for tax, another is machinery account and then provision for depreciation account. तो पहले हम इस नोट को कंप्लीट करेंगे, इन नोट्स को कंप्लीट करेंगे, then we will start with our complete solution. To complete provision for tax, tax is a liability. We have to take the information from our ledgers. So this is provision for tax. Opening is previous year by balance brought down. By balance brought down, amount for tax is 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Next, leave your 1 line. Then you have to balance carried down. This value is always current year 1,40,000. One item, one place, its role is over. Next, we have to come to adjustment. In adjustment, be careful whether it is given paid or it is given made. If paid is given, we will find made. Paid is always shown on debit side, so it will be written to cash, and paid value is 1,40,000. This will be recorded here, 1,40,000. Do the total of this. This gives us 2,80,000. Same total will be copied on the credit side. Total column 2,80,000. From 2,80,000 subtract 1,80,000, we will have a balancing figure which is by profit and loss. This is the value for made, and this is added in operating activity. Difference is 1 lakh. This is our balancing figure. This value will be transferred here, 1 lakh. After this, we have next account, machinery account. Come to your here in the fixed non-current tangible assets. There is note number 1. We will not take the values from here. Come to your notes to accounts. Number 1, tangible assets. देखो same है title, tangible assets, tangible assets. This is an explanation. And from here we will start. Take the gross values, not the net value. Previous year will become brought down to balance brought down. Value of previous year is 16,42,000. There is a paucity of space. 16,42,000. Leave 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. In fourth line, we will do the carry down by balance carried down. And carry down is always the current year value. Current year value is 24 lakh and 6,000. 24 lakh 6,000. Come to the adjustment part. Machinery costing rupees 2 lakh. Costing is not shown anywhere. Accumulated depreciation is 50,000. Depreciation is written on credit side of asset account with the title by depreciation. Depreciation amount is 50,000. 50. Next, continuous scheme adjustment sold for rupees 1,20,000. When it is sold, cash sales will be written again on credit side. Cash sale. This is 1,20,000. It is sold for 1,20,000. Remember, whenever asset is sold, we will have to calculate the value of profit and loss. Again, come to working note, leave some space. We will find the value of profit or loss from this sale. This is note number 2, and in this we are finding calculation of profit or loss on sale of an asset. हमने जो asset बेचा, उस asset में से profit हुआ या loss हुआ, this will be calculated in your working note. First, you have to mention the costing. What is the cost price of the asset? ये है 2 लाख रुपीस. एडजस्टमेंट में से आप लोगे. कॉस्टिंग वाज 2 लाख. इस कॉस्टिंग में से हम माइनस करेंगे एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन जो हमें एडजस्टमेंट में गिवन है 50,000. इट इज अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू. 2 लाख की चीज हमने ली थी, 50,000 इसकी डेप्रिसिएशन हो गई. 1,50,000 इज इट्स बुक वैल्यू. मींस हमारी बुक्स में इस एसेट की वैल्यू है 1,50,000. Now this need to be compared with your sale price, that is 1,20,000. अगर आपकी सेल प्राइस बुक वैल्यू से ज्यादा है तो डिफरेंस प्रॉफिट होगा. अगर सेल प्राइस बुक वैल्यू से कम है तो we will have a loss. So we have to compare it with our sale price. Sale price is less. Our sale value is just 1,20,000. Difference is loss of 30,000. So we will have a 30,000 loss. Remember that loss is always transferred to operating activity under non-operating items. इसको प्लस करेंगे non-operating items में. These items we have to keep in mind. This will be transferred here by loss on sale of assets. अगर प्रॉफिट हो तो हम उसको डेबिट करते हैं, लॉस हो तो हम डेबिट करते हैं. क्रेडिट. Losses are credited and the profit on sale is debited. Our loss is 30,000. Fill this column 30,000. Next step. This is complete. We have to close this ledger. Do the totaling. So this costing was 2 lakh. So we will get 26,06,000 as the total. Same total is to be copied. 26,06,000 on the debit side. We have to find a balancing figure to cash purchase. This is balancing value, balancing figure. Find the difference. This is 2 plus 4 is 6,000. Then we have 6 and 4 10 17 and 9 26. 9,64,000 is the purchase value. From here this item will be taken to investment activity as minus. This item of cash sale will be taken to investment activity as plus. Loss will be transferred to operating activity. Continue with the last lecture which we need to complete is provision for depreciation. ये हमें क्यों बनाना पड़ रहा है? Because क्वेश्चन में depreciation की values given है as well as adjustment में भी depreciation is provided to us. So more than information, we will have to prepare a ledger account. Provision for depreciation is a liability rule, so we will have buy balance brought down on credit side. This will be previous year value 2,02,000. 2,02,000. Leave one line on the debit side and then do balance carried down. Carried down value is 4 lakh. This is 4 lakh. Next step, we have to transfer this depreciation value to this ledger account, cross multiply. So this will be transferred from here to machinery. Remember, आप depreciation account में depreciation word नहीं लिखोगे, item depreciation की होगी, लेकिन नाम machinery का आएगा. Amount is 50,000. 50,000. Close this ledger account. We have the total 4,50,000. Same total is to be copied here, 4,50,000. Find the balancing figure. This will be written as by profit and loss. This will be taken to non-operating activity. We will add it in the non-cash items. Difference we get is 48,000, 2,48,000. Once all the working notes, this ledger accounts are prepared according to the requirement of sum, now we will start with our complete cash flow statements procedure step by step. Starting, we need to check it out. Under this surplus of profit and loss we have shown. Next item is general reserve. It is not given in the question. Leave it. Next is dividend. There is no information about the dividend in the question, so not required. Provision for tax and your tax refund. So we have only these two items. Add it. This gives us 6 lakh rupees. This will be copied here in detail column. 6 lakh rupees. After this, we have an adjustment of non-cash items. Next step is adjustment of non-cash and non-operating items. Non-cash and non-operating items. This is our next title. Start searching the items. In this we have to show any interest, any loss, depreciations. So let's start. Come to our first ledger, provision for tax. The tax made we have already shown. Tax paid, this will be shown under operating activity last step. Our last step when we subtract tax. So this will be used, keep it in mind, but it is not required here. From machinery account, yes. So your depreciation as well as loss will be brought here. Any profit or loss is shown here. Loss on sale. Loss on sale of machinery. Loss was rupees 30,000. This will be shown as positive value. Plus, in this we have to add depreciation. So this value of depreciation 2,48,000 will be shown here, not 50,000. If we are not making this account, then 50,000 depreciation will be copied. So here it will be your depreciation. Amount is 2,48,000. So 2,48,000. This is also positive activity. Our ledger's information is copied. Come here first. This is the financing activity. This is recorded. Next, this is important. Long-term borrowing 12% debenture is a financing activity. आपको इनका increase या decrease financing activity में show करना है. But किसी भी long-term borrowing के ऊपर जो interest है, उसकी calculation हमें non-operating item में as well as financing activity में as an adjustment show करनी है. So rate is given 12%. Calculate it on the previous year because there is no adjustment told about the redemption. Therefore, it is assumed कि हमने redemption करी साल के end में. Therefore, rate is 12%. Principal will be 10 lakh and 12% of 10 lakh will be 1,20,000. This is to be added here and the title is interest on debentures. ये calculation हमने की है 12% on previous year value. Answer is 1,20,000. ये हमारी एक positive value है. Once this is done, हमारे short term borrowings, bank overdraft will be a financing activity. Provision for tax we have prepared ledger account. यहाँ से नहीं आएगा operating activity में. We don't show tangible assets, लेकिन intangible assets में goodwill, patents, copyright, trademarks ये हम शो करते हैं non cash non operating items में. Formula है गुडविल, और अगर गुडविल का आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा तो हम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में ऐड करेंगे, लेकिन इसका आंसर अगर नेगेटिव आएगा तो हम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में माइनस करेंगे. बी श्योर अबाउट इट, दिस पर्टिकुलर आइटम, and the values are formalized previous year minus current year. Current year minus previous year नहीं करना for goodwill item. So this is 60,000 minus 40,000 positive. जब positive आएगा we will show it in operating activity. So this is called as goodwill written off. Goodwill is written off, positive amount 20,000. This is labeled. Moving on, non-current investments, investment activity में आएंगी. From your current investments, under current assets, current investments or marketable securities are part and parcel of cash and cash equivalent. ये भी इसी एक्टिविटी में नहीं आएंगी. Next is inventory. Inventory, trade receivables are shown, और इसके लिए you have to see increase or decrease. But this about non-operating, हमारी और कोई भी नॉन ऑपरेटिंग नॉन कैश आइटम नहीं है. So close this. We have to find its net answer. It will be recorded in detail column. From here we will arrive at 8,000. This is 2 to 4 for 8 and 3 11 and 4. This total gives us 4,18,008. 4 8 3 11 4. Next we have to do adjustment of current assets and current liabilities. अभी भी हम फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी ऑपरेटिंग ही कर रहे हैं. Adjustment of current assets and current liabilities. Under current assets, current liabilities, directly come to your balance sheet item current liabilities. इसमें short term borrowings I have already discussed. It's not shown. Then next short term provision, tax है. There are no other this current liabilities like creditors, bills payables, trade payables, outstandings, nothing as such. Leave it. Current assets में we have inventory. So there is a single item. Formula would be current year minus previous year. If it is an increase, it will be negative. If it is decrease, it will be positive. Let's check it out. Your inventory is increasing. So difference would be subtracted. It will be written increase in inventory. Increase in inventory. Difference will be negative value and will be written in particulars column. So 2,40,000 minus 19. It is negative value. So since it is a single value, you can even directly show outside. If there are multiple items, we need to show inside and take the total. एक ही item है तो direct. So it will be 12,04,000. 124,000. This is direct negative item 4 and 12. 1,24,000. This is minus because it is increased. Now we are at the last stage, that is less tax paid. Less tax paid. Once the detail of assets liability is done, tax paid item is to be shown directly in the details column. The tax paid, we have to come to our taxation account. Here it is written to cash operating activity minus. So this item of 1,40,000 will be brought here. This is negative item again, 1,40,000. So with this we have completed our first activity, that is operating activity. So this will be closed here. Its answer will be written in amount column here in next line. So that can be positive, it can be negative. Let's find out the net answer. So this will give you positive 4 and 4 is 8. 4,000. Then this is 4 plus 2 6. 6 and 5 is 11. This is 3 and 1 7. So net answer will be 7,54,000. Let's cross check it. 4 and 4 8, 5 and 4 9 to 11, and this is 7 3 10. Correct. This is the positive answer. This would be labeled as cash. This will be cash from, because it is positive. So cash from operating activity, equation number 1. It's important to label it as equation 1 or 2. With this, our first activity is finished. Now we will move to second activity. Second part of the solution. This will continue. Leave 1 9, give the title B. This was first activity. Now we have a second activity. Second activity's name is investing activity. Double underline to just highlight and make it presentable. With this investing activity, items of investing activity are found only in the asset side of the balance sheet. Your first head is non-current asset, इसके tangible assets या इसमें से non-current investment. सिर्फ यही दो items यहाँ पे investing activity में आती हैं. We don't show anything from the liability part. We don't show anything from current assets. So you should be careful कौन सी information कहाँ से मिलेगी. Now, as far as tangible asset is concerned, हमने एक ही हमें asset दिया है machinery, जिसके लिए हमने ledger account बनाया है. So we will not take any information or difference from here. हम machinery account से ही data transfer करेंगे investment activity में. This was the purpose of preparing machinery account. See here machinery account, जहाँ cash sale थी, I have already intimated कि cash sale investment activity में हम show करेंगे as a positive sign. और कैश परचेज इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्टिविटी में शो करेंगे एज अ नेगेटिव साइन. कॉपी दिस डेटा. वी हैव कैश परचेज ऑफ 9,64,000. दोनों टाइटल्स दिखाने हैं. दिस विल बी रिटन एज कैश परचेज. आइटम का नेम कैश परचेज ऑफ मशीनरी. देन वी हैव सोल्ड मशीनरी. सो मशीनरी सोल्ड आल्सो. Both aspects have to be shown. Label the values. Purchase value is 9,64,000. Therefore, it will be a negative value. This is minus directly. It is to be shown in detail column. Minus 9,64,000. Under this sale value, whereas sale was 1,20,000. Sale price is positive value 1,20,000. Single asset is over. Next is non-current investments. These are long-term investments. If it is increased, it will be minus. If it is decreased, it will be plus. Here, formula current year minus previous year. So current year is increasing. This will become purchase of investment negative value. So purchase investment. Purchase of investment is negative minus 50,000. Minus 50,000. Let's find the net answer. With this activity is finished. Answer will come negative. We will write it as cash used. If it is negative, it is written as cash used. If it is positive, then we write from cash used for investing activity, equation number 2. And its answer will be written again in amount column. Be careful regarding your presentation. So we have here now 844 negative 850. That 94,000 as negative value. From 120 from here, 4, 8, and this will be added. It will give us 8,94,000 negative value. Moving on to third activity, that is final activity, financing activity. The remaining left out items. So double underline it to highlight. Come to the first part, that is balance sheet's equity share capital. If there is no known, we will directly take the difference. So increase is positive. This means cash inflow. Increase or difference amount is 2 lakh directly in detail column. This is a positive value. Positive 2 lakh will be shown in detail column. We need to move on next. Reserves we have already shown. Now only one item is left, that is your long-term borrowing. 12% debentures. So debentures, see debentures are reducing. Decrease means minus. It can be written as decrease or redemption. So redemption of 12% debentures. Net value is 1 lakh minus 1 lakh because there is a reduction. Remember, we have given interest on debentures there in operating activity. I am marking it star. This means it has to be done double treatment. Two treatments करने हैं because this was an adjustment. क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया था, हमने लिया है. Here it will be subtracted क्योंकि हम interest pay करेंगे. Money will flow out. This is interest on debentures. Negative amount 1,20,000. 1,20,000 is negative. Further, there is one more item left. This is your short-term borrowings. Here, borrowings are increasing. This is the part of financing activity. So, plus last item is increase in short-term borrowing. That is maybe bank overdraft or short-term borrowing. Item's name is given bank overdraft. So, bank overdraft increased by 2 lakh. This is a positive cash inflow. If there is any dividend given in adjustment in question, it has to be subtracted here. Since all items are adjusted, so we have to close this. Now we are left just 2 steps away from our final answer. Calculate the net flow from financing activity. It is 2 lakh minus 1 lakh is 1 lakh, and then this is 2 lakh 20. 1,80,000. 1,80,000 is our positive answer. This indicates this is net cash inflow. Positive 1,80,000. We have inflow from financing activity, which will be written as cash from financing activity. Equation number 3. Once we have found the answers for all the 3 activities, this is activity number 1 positive, activity 2 negative, activity 3 again positive. Keep in mind, in तीनों activities में most of the time sign opposite आएंगे. All 3 will not have same signs. Let's now conclude and close our sum. जब तीनों एक्टिविटीज आ गई, अब फाइनली आप अपने अमाउंट कॉलम को क्लोज करोगे, अमाउंट, एंड यू विल फाइंड नेट कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑल दी एक्टिविटीज. मींस इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2 एंड इक्वेशन 3. सो लास्ट स्टेप इज नेट कैश फ्लो. नेट कैश फ्लो, दैट इज यूजिंग इक्वेशन 1 plus 2 plus 3, whatever signs you have, we have to find our net answer. We have to find the net result of all these activities, which comes out to be positive 40,000. Second last step, we have to add opening balance of cash and cash equivalents. Opening balance of cash and cash equivalents. For cash equivalents, you have to come to this last item of your balance sheet. See, we have to take opening balance. In this, even in this question, we have current investments. अगर हमारे क्वेश्चन में करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स नहीं दी, तो आप ये आंसर यहाँ कॉपी करोगे. If they have given any current investments, marketable securities, तो आप इन दोनों आइटम्स का टोटल यहाँ कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे. तो we have 1,20,000 for current investments and 1,20,000 for cash. दोनों का टोटल हो गया 2,40,000. With this we arrive at our solution. इन दोनों का नेट रिजल्ट हमारा ब्यूटी ऑफ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट इज दैट कि आपका आंसर आपके क्वेश्चन में ही गिवन है। सो वंस यू हैव सॉल्व्ड इट और आपका ये आंसर क्लोजिंग के साथ मैच हो गया तो दैट मींस यू विल गेट टोटल 6 मार्क्स। सो सी यू विल मैच योर आंसर। आपने ओपनिंग कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट को ऐड करके 2,40,000 यहां शो किया। इन दोनों का फाइनल आंसर है 2,80,000। ये आंसर आपका हमेशा इन वैल्यूज के साथ मैच करेगा। सी वी हैव क्लोजिंग कैश एज 1,80,000 क्योंकि हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट भी दी, इसको भी ऐड करना है। सो 1 लाख एंड 1,80,000